Yes, I need 2 more, please. There we go.
There you go.
Thank you so much. You're so helpful. Much more helpful than Mummy. Now, where's my instructions?
Okay, where is it?
You tell me. You're the assistant. Well, oh, there they are.
There they are.
Yes, I'll take those ones though.
Take those ones down there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I need those ones too. Show me. Show me, please. Thank you very much. Now, what do I need?
I don't know.
We're going to put the back on, I think.
The back.
Yeah, the back.
Where is the back?
It's behind you there.
This.
Yeah. Can you hold it?
There you go.
Oh, thank you very much. It's very helpful. Now, will we push it over?
Yeah.
You better help me. Here. You better help me. Come here. Come on.
2.
No, put them down. Here, help me. We're going to move it. No, come over here. Come over here. Okay, you hold this. Hold this and we'll move it over, will we?
Yeah.
It's coming to you, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Now, there we go. You hold it for me. There you go. Good girl.
Why is that?
Yeah, we're going to put the back on it.
The back.
Yeah, the back. Just like this. Fill this up.
I can just get in there.
You're not getting in.